Let's make some, oops, I was too late. Okay, so anyway, we are massaging the chicken, just washing it off in vinegar resolution. Oh my goodness, I did not know they were going to go that fast. Okay, now I'm chopping up my chicken. Chop it up, chop, chop, chop. I like my chicken nice and thin and flat, so I'm chopping it in the nicest, thinnest, flattest pieces because we are making teriyaki chicken, and I love, like, I'm a texture person. I don't know about you. I am a texture person, and I just like to have my chicken a certain way. So as you will see, it's some things that's going to help that chicken get to the proper texture. And you can use thighs as well. I meant to tell you that. I just like using breast because it's lean. Anyway, let's get to the next thing, which is broccoli. Voila, how'd that get there so fast? I was still talking about chicken, you see? Anyway, back to the broccoli. I'm just cutting up all the broccoli. First, you got to wash it. I did not show that part. I had to actually wash it after. You see that?